Hello from Bad Oldesloe. Tire manufacturing and inspection come with many challenges. From checking for bulges and dents to scanning dot codes and measuring geometry, these tasks require both precision and speed. These challenges can lead to costly downtimes and impact overall production efficiency. No room for compromises. That's where ATSensor's 3D laser triangulation sensors come in. We offer game-changing solutions for tire inspection technology, providing real-time data to help you reduce downtimes, optimize production efficiency, and cut costs. And why to choose ATSensors now? Unmatched speed. Capture data quickly and accurately, keeping your production line moving. Select from 1K, 2K, 3K or even 4K resolution to meet your precise requirements. Flexible laser options. Choose the ideal laser configuration for your application. Seamless integration. Our sensors integrate easily with your existing software or standard machine vision libraries. Simultaneous 2D and 3D output. Get a complete picture with both 2D and 3D data. And that's it. Find the perfect sensor to match your specific needs and budget. Stay ahead with ATSensors, and for more, visit atsensors.com. See you next time. Bye.